Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle. This is the Christmas tag video. I will be sharing with you my favorite sour cream sugar cookie recipe, and I will be sharing tags of some of my favorite things for Christmas. Our host is the Cooking Chronicles with Ingrid. Please check out her amazing channel and the playlist. And I am tagging my friend Deborah Cabasas home living, my husband Thad's honeydew list. Here we go. 2 sticks of butter. One and a half cup of sugar. 2 eggs. Okay, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, or you can also use almond extract. And 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, 1 cup of sour cream. Oh, and there's an optional cup of nuts if you want to add nuts to your sugar cookies. But I don't do that, so we're gonna skip that in my recipe. But if you want walnuts or pecans or something in your sugar cookies, it's 1 cup. We are going to slowly add 4 cups of flour. Okay, let's add some more. Oh, I got snow on my counter now. You know it's Christmas when you got snow on your counter. Okay, these need to be refrigerated for 2 hours, or like I'm going to do, overnight. Okay, I'm going to be rolling out with parchment paper and a rolling pin over 2 dozen cookies while I do some Christmas tags. The first one is top 3 Christmas movies. Hallmark movies, and I do like The Christmas Story, which was filmed right here in Cleveland, Ohio, which is not far from me. Favorite Christmas carols. Oh, Christmas Tree, because we always sang that while decorating the church, and all the old time church Christmas hymns. I love those. But I love listening to Christmas music. I'm the one that would listen to Christmas music all year long. Favorite Christmas beverage. I never really drank alcohol, so my favorite Christmas beverage would probably be hot cocoa and my mom's punch she made every Christmas Eve, which was fruit punch, 7-Up, and peppermint ice cream, which I love peppermint ice cream. My favorite book. I don't read a lot because I have trouble with my vision. But when I do, I do a lot of reading the Bible and David Jeremiah books and my David Jeremiah study Bible. Top 3 favorite gifts. My 3 Yorkies. 14 years ago, I got Bandit, who passed away 2 years ago. He was 11 and had cancer. And, of course, these 2 stinkers, Bailey and Bella, that I got 2 years ago. They're both on the naughty list. They may not get anything from Santa Claus because they knocked over our Christmas tree this year. But I love them, and the house wouldn't be the same without these 2. My favorite Christmas traditions. We always, when I was young, we always did soup supper and soup and sandwich supper for Christmas Eve and open one Christmas gift. This time for me and my husband, our tradition is we go out and Chinese for Christmas Eve. And before Christmas, we always go to our favorite light display and stop at our favorite pizza place. That's what we like to do. Favorite Christmas dish, my mom's beef and noodles that she always made, and her snowballs or Mexican wedding cookies, and her sugar cookies were amazing. My favorite stores to shop, I like to shop when I lived in Mount Vernon, the little shops on Main Street. Now that I live here, I love to shop and go to Grand Rapids and explore the shops and all the beautiful decor there. Christmas cookies, must have sugar cookies. We must have, I like the hot chocolate cookies with the peppermint that I did this year. And definitely the snowballs are the top 3 must-haves for me. But I also always do the peanut butter with the kisses. I do a lot of cookies. Well, one of my favorite things I made this year was I made a microwave fudge, which I'm going to share. Don't know whether I'm going to share it this year or I may perfect it more and share it next year. Because it was super easy and I now know how to make it turn out well. If I was granted one Christmas wish, what would it be? My one Christmas wish would be probably that there wouldn't be as much fighting and bickering and no homelessness. I mean, come on, we're the richest nation in the world. There shouldn't be a thing as homelessness and people going hungry. That's the one thing. That's what I would wish for. Here's our icing. I made way too much icing for my donut video, which I'll leave the link to my donut video. And so I'm going to just use that icing.